Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you what I think will be my final haul before I reveal my outdoor spaces. I do have two different spaces as promised that I will be revealing, but today we were bombarded with rain, so there was no chance of doing any filming outside today. But hopefully tomorrow things will clear up and I can film at least half of that space. So today I'm just going to share you just a couple of little things that I'll be incorporating into the space as time goes by here. So before we get started with the haul, please make sure you click that subscribe button down below if you're brand new. If you have never clicked that notification bell in the past, please do so now so that you don't miss out on my videos of the outdoor space when I do post them. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I present to you here, or even about my upcoming outdoor space, just reach out to me below as well. I appreciate any comments, questions, suggestions. I do pretty much anything home related here on my channel. I love home decor. I do hauls. I do shop with me's. I will be giving decor tips, organizational tips. So stay tuned for a lot of those things coming your way. I also have several challenges and collaborations that I'll be participating in. I have recently done just a few, so I'll be having more coming your way on that as well. If you like today's video or anything that you see in the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up too. I appreciate that as well. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more teal and greens into my outdoor space decor just to give a little bit more variety. I ordered a couple of these pillow covers from Wish online. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that app or with that website, but I got both of these pillowcases for, actually I think they were free. All I had to pay was like $1.50 in shipping. So that's a really fun website. If you're not familiar with it, check it out. It's called Wish. At my local at-home store, I picked up two of these large teal or green pillows. They were $14.99 each. I haven't decided if these are bigger than what I wanted for the space, but I'm going to try and use them and see how they turn out. I love the two-tone teal and green in the pillow. It's a little bit greener than I was looking for, but I just couldn't find exactly what I wanted. I'm using these colors in both the front outdoor space and also on our deck space in the back. At my local Walmart, I spotted this roll of remote control tape lights. These are by Mainstays and they were $17.99 a roll. They come with a remote control, and I wasn't sure if I could use one or two rolls of them in my space, so I decided to get one and see how it goes. I will be sure to share with you how they turn out. I'm going to be participating in a collaboration within the next week or so. So I stopped at my local Michael's store and picked up just some pom-poms. I have some bright royal blue ones. These were on clearance for $1.76, and just some little mini red ones. These were 99 cents. It was definitely my lucky day at my local Michael's store. I walked in just to get the pom-poms in red and blue, but I spotted a huge display of these small melamine plates. These plates came in assorted colors, but I elected for the neutral tone. I picked up 6 of them. They regularly sell for $4.99 each. I got them for $1 each. Over at my local home goods store, during my checkout, I noticed these adorable napkins. They're in different seashells and starfish, but the color is what attracted me to them. There's a little bit of metallic in them, and I thought they were just beautiful. I mean, right, they're just beverage napkins, but I thought they were so cute, and sometimes it's the small things that matter to us most. They were $1.49 for 20. Also at my local Home Goods, I picked up a new cushion rug pad to go under my runner in my kitchen. This was $7.99, and it's a 3x5. It should be just long enough for my bamboo runner. Last but not least, in the outdoor dining section of my local Home Goods, I found a set of 6 dinner plates by Cynthia Rowley. I thought these melamine plates were just gorgeous. I love the fact that they're not only teal and turquoise, They have a little bit of cream to them, and they have that edge that kind of reminds you of aged ceramic or aged pottery. I thought they were gorgeous. And these were $19.99 for all 6.